So most of the children coming through Naíscoil Granhan don't have Irish at home, so this is their first opportunity to learn Irish.
The teachers, the Munchery, are very good at sending home little rhymes and little help sheets. There's resource packs, there's things online that can be signposted.
But what we found was that the staff were so supportive and so welcoming and able to help us as parents that it really wasn't a hesitation after that.
It still was nice to be able to pick up a few words as you went along and have a better understanding of what it was they were learning and how they were progressing, but it wasn't something that was essential.
Yeah, when Clara comes home, all she talks about is Naíscoil, the teachers, the children, the activities. She's starting to use Irish words in her own language at home.
She even picked it up really quickly. I was able to explain the wee bits that he was doing in Naíscoil to us, and then we were able to do it around the house with him.
For us, it's an education as well, so he's our Muncher to a degree, and yeah, it's just an exciting way to bring up your kids, you know.
I'm definitely surprised at how quick he's picked it up.
You don't have to have the language, but it's nice to have it, you know, to be able to have a better understanding of where your children are, and for you to develop your own kind of cultural awareness as well, and to feel such a part of a community that is just amazing.
It gives us great heart that they are developing independently, and that even though we don't have a lot of it, the wider community has a lot.
And then even a couple of years ago I did one of the courses in Cairn, so there was plenty of help further down the line.
I mean, I think it's just a natural instinct for a parent to worry about, I don't speak Irish at home or will not understand what they're saying. Just go for it, the kids will teach you. Just give it a go, you have absolutely nothing to lose.
To any parent that isn't certain because they don't have it at home, I would have no hesitation. The support that you get from all aspects of the community here is second to none.